This is an incognito window and I'm closing this tab. Usually there is no way to reopen the closed tab in an incognito window. But here's how to reopen a closed incognito tab easily in your browser. I'm going to close these and here's how you can see that I'm opening those windows. So now if you are here with a hope to reopen your already closed incognito tabs, sorry my friend, this technique that I'm going to show you will only work from this point onwards after you do what you see in this video. I'm using Google Chrome for this video and it should work for any Chromium based browser like Microsoft Edge. Now for this you need a browser extension, of course, because this is not an inbuilt setting for incognito windows. So for this you need this extension called Sexy Undo Close tab. Once you install this from the Chrome Web Store, you can customize this so that whenever you close this, it can help you undo and then open this up. But for this to work, you need to do one small setting for this. So when you go into this manage extension, for this particular extension, you want to enable this for your incognito as well. And if you want to assign any keyboard shortcut to do this, like a Ctrl Z, you can also do that by clicking on the extension options. And in this, you can enable this Ctrl Z shortcut. Some may not prefer this, but I would like to do this, so I have enabled this so that whenever, let's say now in this incognito, I close this and then do Ctrl Z here, this opens up my closed tab. And this works for any number of tabs. So when you do Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, you can see that the closed incognito tabs are opening up. You can also alternatively click this if you don't want the keyboard shortcut. You can see that your tabs are all listed here, which is in an incognito window.